Hey guys, this is just a secondary video here that deals with some additional Clearscope features that we don't always use, but it's still handy to kind of know about. So one here that we're going to look at is readability. Now, your readability score typically indicates say how complex the sentence structures, the vocabulary are in the article that you're writing. Now, what I'd say here is that it's important to ensure that your readability aligns with, say, your client's target audience. So try to keep this simple. So try to get this down to around an 8th or ninth grade equivalent level. But in certain niche areas, for example, if we're dealing with something in foam fabrication, for example, there are a lot of highly technical terms that might come into the picture. And at that point of time, your readability score is going to go up. As a rule of thumb, try to keep this as low as you can without losing the ability to kind of fully articulate, what you're trying to communicate. And along with this, Clearscope also offers various competitor related functionality. So if we go over here to competitors, you actually have this very interesting kind of sitemap where you can go ahead and check through a large number of similar pieces which rank for this particular keyword of foam fabrication processes. And this is something that you can actually use while you're still in the initial phase of researching topics. So you can actually go in, take a look at what are the best performing pieces on a particular topic. And then you can go ahead and just open that up and read about that. You can actually also look here even at its general header outline so that you also get an idea of what could go into a given piece. And so this is critical both from a research point of view and also just understanding where the competition's at and what you can do to essentially improve your own piece that you're working on. So when we're looking at this, these are the two main functionalities I wanted to talk about. Apart from that, you can of course utilize the editor here to ensure that your formatting isn't lost from when you copy that over from Google. And the very last thing is we have these additional two functionalities here and here, which are research and outline. So with research, you're actually able to get these kind of handy questions of essentially, what would you want to answer in this article based on these given keywords? So Clearscope, again, uses machine learning to run through a large number of pieces that are written based on this primary keyword. And it suggests these particular questions that should be thematically addressed somewhere in your article. So this is, again, good for research, and it's great to incorporate this alongside what you may be doing with Ahrefs or your other SEO tools. And outlines here, again, just provides a simple header outline for the top ranked articles for the keyword. And again, this is just indicative for you about what could potentially go into these pieces. So all in all, again, Clearscope is very powerful, but it's very easy to use as well. And the largest part of its functionality that we're using right now is essentially to ensure our secondary keywords are placed in a natural way in these articles, and to prevent unnecessary keyword stuffing of those. Thank you.